Hello and good morning. Today we are going to go through 133, 134, and 135. Those are regular polygon stars, polygons, and labels. So here we go. All right, regular polygons and stars. Regular polygons are anything with equal sides, equal angles, all that good stuff. So down here we have regular polygon 200, 100, 75, and 6. So the first two are the center location. The third one is the radius, and 6 here, the fourth one, that is how many points it has. So if I would hit this green button, this is located at 200, 100. It has a radius of 75. You can see that in the corner. And it has 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you could change this to be 3. I'll give you a triangle, and that's as low as you can go. You cannot go to 2. You can't have a two-sided polygon. That would just be a line. But you could go up to pretty much whatever you want. Just know that the higher the number, the more circular it's going to look. So 39 points is already looking like a straight-up circle. So I think, yeah, there you go. 12, you could still see. I think up to like 16 or something, you could still see the angles. But eventually it does kind of turn into a circle. So we can see that this fits just inside the circle. So we got a regular circle at 200, 175, and then a polygon, a regular polygon at 200, 175. They're just showing you that from here to the furthest point is 75 pixels. So they're just showing you it's the same exact size, it's just a different shape. All right, checkpoint 1, what happens if you run the previous code with 100 sides? It looks like a circle. We already know that one. Now we're going to draw a star in the same way. So instead of regular polygon, if we put star, because if I come up here, stars usually have 5 sides, right? Regular polygon, so that's clearly not a star. It is a pentagon. So a star, if you go like this, star 200, 100, 75, and 5, put star in front, it has the classic star look. Okay. Once again, it fits right into the circle because it has the same radius and all that. But, okay, this part's important, roundness. All right. Roundness is how close to a circle or how spiky a star would be. A large number for roundness, and roundness cannot go any further than 100, by the way. A large number for roundness means that you are closer to a circle. A small number means you are more spiky. So this is probably like a roundness of 20 maybe. This could be a roundness of 60. This could be a roundness of 80, something like that. So come down here. So we got star 20, 40, 60, 80. Let's check it out. 20, 40, 60, 80. Notice the higher the number, the more spiky, the less spiky it is. So just know that. All right, checkpoint 2. What happens if you draw a star with a roundness larger than 100? Sure, let's do that. I'll just show you. I believe it gives you an error. Let's do 120. Yep, there's an error. Start roundness should be number in the range of 0 to 100, but 120 is of type integer. That just means that you're not in this range. Roundness has to be within 0 and 100. All right, so we get an error. There it is. Okay, so continue. Now, polygons. I like polygons. Not regular polygons. Regular polygons are a strict shape. All right? All you could really do is change the size. I like polygons because you can make them pretty much whatever you want. Okay? So here we have a triangle, right? But it's not a regular triangle. All the sides are not the same. So how you do these are every point that you have, you pretty much code in that code in those coordinates. So we got 100, 100, which if you look up here are the first two numbers. Okay, and then we have 100, 300, which are the next two numbers, and then we have 150, 300, which are the next two numbers. Okay, so that's very handy if you want to create a shape that is kind of customized. All right, or if you're trying to create an effect of some sort that is customized. We'll get to checkpoint 1. Let me just show you something real quick. Open. Discard. I don't even know what that is. What the heck? Split. Okay. So split, I have all these crazy polygons in here. All right. So if I run it, this is what I get. So this all in here is a polygon. Okay. I just kind of made sure that it followed whatever path I wanted, and I just kept putting point over point over point over point over point. And this guy right here is pretty darn long. All right. I don't even think here, this split down here. This thing just keeps going on forever and ever and ever, and that is this shape. I have this as one shape. So that is something that you can do with polygons. All right, so here we go. Checkpoint 1. Draw a polygon to, well, let me reset that. Draw a polygon to fit this in. So I'm going to do polygon, Polygon, and then I am just going to put in the coordinates in order. I'm going to go clockwise, so 200, 0, 400, 200, 200, 400, 0, 200. So here we go. 200, comma 0, 400, comma 200, 200, comma 400, and last 0, comma 200. If I run that, it looks good. All I got to do is change the color. Color equals gold, so we're going to do fill equals, in parentheses, GOLD, run, check, done. All right, let's continue here. And last, labels. Labels are if you want to if you want to put text onto your thing. So this label is going to say hello at 200 and 200. Hello, how are you? No, nobody has me for homeroom.
Here's a present for Christmas.
Thank you.
It has like a mug.
Excellent.
And chocolate and like a peppermint stick you can mix your coffee.
Oh my gosh, you're too nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. See ya. You guys are the best. I just got a Christmas gift. Yay. Oh, that makes me so happy. Okay, anyway, so we're drawing labels here. This guy should say hello at the mark of 200, 200, so it should be right in the middle of the canvas. And it says hello. That's really small. That's because we don't have size, and we could do all that later. So here we go. Sizes. Hey, look at that. So small, medium, and large. Once again, label. The first thing that you want to put in for your label, usually you put in a number, but here you want to put in what it actually says first, okay? So what it says, and then location. That's basically how this works. And then you could put in all your optionals. One optional is size. So this is size 10, size 30, size 120. All right, label B. Run the code, change B so it touches the top and the bottom. So this is, let's see, let's do 300. Oh, it's got to be more. 400. Oh, 600. Okay, we're getting there. Let's do like 590. Okay, 550. 560. Yay, got it. Okay, so it has to be size 500. Oh, I thought that was a checkpoint. It was not a checkpoint, but whatever. It's good to do it anyway. Oh, look, there it is. What size do you have to be? You have to be 560, right? Yep, 560. Submit. Okay, bold and italic fonts. Once again, these are optionals. You do not have to put them in, but if you do, bold equals true. Make sure true is capitalized. It's called a Boolean. Boolean is if something is true or false. But anyway, bold equals true, capital T. Or if you want to make it italic, italic equals true, capital T. Or you could do both. Plain, bold, italic. This is bold and italic. Okay. This one down here, what are we doing? Oh, yeah, these are different kinds of fonts. All right. So you can choose different kinds of fonts as well. I really, really wish there was a font list. They don't actually tell you that there's a font list, but they do tell you what kinds of fonts that you can use from time to time. I would suggest saving them because there isn't a true list that they put on here, and that would be really nice. All right, checkpoint 2. How does a label change if you set italic equals true? It's slanted because that's what italic does. All right, fills and borders. We can use colors with labels with other shapes. So fill blue, that just means your text is going to be blue. Fill none, border red, that means that you're going to have almost look like block letters or bubble letters almost. And then you can have a gradient as well. Okay, so black. So this is blue. This is the fill is nothing, is none, and there's a red border, and then this has a gradient. So you could stylize your text like that. So here we go. How can we make a label with no fill and a gradient border? So you set the fill to none and the border to a gradient. Spectacular. All right, that's all. Let's practice, and that'll be it for this video. Oh, look, I didn't do the card. You know what? Next video, I'm going to do the card so you can see my process and how I do something without doing it beforehand. Well, I got a couple I could do that with. We are almost done with Unit 1 here. So, yeah, I hope you have followed along, and if not, you could always go back into previous videos. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.